project is called the Big Bocs Bwyd project, and it's a project that's about bringing food to communities that can help not just to prevent food poverty, but to help sustainability and to help prevent food waste.
So it started first year at Caerdydd Primary School, where Cadog's Corner set up the pay-as-you-can shop. Then we've been really lucky to have lots of support from Valleys Regional's Parc and Welsh Government. So we sort of got into many other local authorities. We've gone into Aberdeen, Maesteg, Merthyr, and then Ammanford as well.
At the moment, we are linked up with Fair Share Go, and we pick up the yellow sticker food, if you like. And when we are ready, we will open the container then for trading, but it'll be a pay as you feel or pay as you can basis. So nobody needs to feel that they have to put a lot of money in to get themselves a bag of food.
So it's about not letting food go to waste, and to help families, and also to help children to remember about healthy food choices.
Some people have to pay bills and there's not enough money for food, so you can come here and get the food. We took it in the trolley, we put it in the container, then we bagged it up into like equal things. All this food would just go in the bin, where like it can go to people who like need it and things.
In Wales, we have a new curriculum now. We want our children to be ambitious, capable learners. We want them to be ethically informed citizens, and we want them to be healthy and confident. And this project really epitomises all of that. They understand the journey of food, and they understand the value of food. So this is a community project, this is a school project, but fundamentally it provides an authentic experience that brings everybody together. If you can impact on the lives of a whole school community, what a privilege, what a joy. And that's what this project does.